Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be playing Tower of Hell. Anyways, let's get started. I joined for a new round. How lucky is that? Yeah, let's just get started. Basically, I'm playing on a PC for today's video, and I suck at playing parkour games on Roblox on the PC, so yeah. Oh gosh, that was a close one. Do you guys like Tower of Hell? Because I like it quite a lot. No comment. No comment. No comment. It's so annoying when you fall in this game. It like rages you so bad. Like, it should really be called Tower of Rage. Like, who agrees? Like this video if you agree with me, because I really do. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Oh, that was such a close one, guys. Hey, how you floating on air? Oh, sad Stephen. Hey. Oh gosh. Oh, by the way, guys, this level is a new level. So, I think it's a new stage in this game, because there's a lot of new stages. I think, because like that's what I've seen. Oh goodness, this level is quite scary, to be honest. Like, yeah, it just is. At least there's only 2 of these moving circle things. Oh, stay calm, Olivia. Stay calm. Olivia, stay calm. Life in Roblox. Anyways, we're gonna at least try to get. As I was saying, we are going to try get to at least the 3rd level, which is like mintish level. So yeah, I would probably be at the top by now. Because I'm actually really good at Tower of Hell. But yeah, as you guys can see, I am rubbish at playing on a PC, and my PC has been broken for like months, and finally I got it back. I hope you guys are enjoying this video of me falling and dying in this game, because like, yeah, it must be. Oh, sorry guys, I just got a notification. I hope that didn't annoy you. Yeah, so basically, I'm speechless. Speechless. Right. Please. Oh, you know what? I don't like this. I'm going to Pro Towers. Let's go. When I play on my iPhone, I do belong in Pro Towers, to be honest, but on a laptop / PC, I do not belong in Pro Towers. But you know, let's just go with it. Maybe I'll do better with you. I find this level that I just did quite hard to play on a PC, but I guess I did it first try, so. Or was that just luck or skill? Who knows? Right, I'm so close. Okay. Oh, I'm just like, why did I say I'm so close if like Pro Towers has a lot of levels? Oh my goodness, I've never done this level before. Must be a new one. Guys, so I'm gonna quickly buy, where is it, extra time? Because yeah, why not? I have to express myself. I have to express myself. This is probably gonna come in hashtags. Yes, of course it did. So let's just say again for good luck. There we go. I hope everyone feels the same way as I do when they fall. Yeah, I was just joking about that. Anyway guys, I really do hope you are enjoying me falling and dying in this game, because to be honest, when I watch this video a week later, I'm probably gonna enjoy myself as well. By the way guys, I would have my comments unblocked so you could comment things, but for some reason I don't know how to like unblock it, so yeah, I have to keep trying, I guess. What's your guys' favorite game on Roblox? I don't know, mine would probably be Adopt Me. Yeah, I really like Adopt Me. That's like the game I play the most, but sometimes I just get really bored of Adopt Me. But then like after a week later I get back to it. Yeah. Okay, well, new round begun, guys. Let's go. Oh, this is a new stage. That was a lot of people that died. This is a new stage as well, guys, as you might see. Okay, this is actually quite a hard one. Kinda. Oh, okay. I like the sound of people dying, I don't know. It just brings me good memories. That was really random, guys. Watching people die is not a good memory at all. I don't know, I sometimes say random things when I am stressed in this game. Oh, I just decided to fall there. I just decided to... I just had to watch my head and my arms and my legs fall apart. Okay guys, I don't think I can do this anymore. I mean, like, living... I seriously cannot play... I cannot play on PC. Definitely not. But guys, I will probably play Tower of Hell, but on my phone next time. Because I am not a noob there on my phone. Oh yes, guys, I think I'm gonna make this utterly rude level. Yes, and I made it. Perfect. Oh, this is an easy level, but sometimes I die on it anyway, because, like, why not? Right, come on. Don't fail on me. Don't fail on me. Oh gosh, I think I nearly fell there. Oh, don't fail on me. But did I even touch the laser there? But did I touch the laser there? I don't know, guys. Did you think I touched the laser there? Like, when I jumped, I just died. It seemed like I was quite close. Right, let's go. Right, no, I can't do this anymore, guys. I can't do it anymore. Sorry, guys, I just make random noises when I am utterly mad. At Adopt Me. Adopt Me? Sorry, I'm not mad at you, Adopt Me. I am mad. French. I'm just saying random things because I am really bored. Gosh, I'm saying random things. I'm not bored, I'm just angry. Right. Adopt Me. I trust you not to fail on me because Adopt Me, you rock. Or do you? Does it only seem like you want me to join? Oh yeah, you do, so it's fine. What can I do about TOH? What do I do? Nothing. Sad times when life deserves it. Yeah, I'm making a neon snow owl, guys, by the way. Sorry, guys, I have to leave the video today because, yep, I'm quite busy today. So, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!